Could the whispers of Federal Reserve Board Chairman Jerome Powell sway the market winds? And how might the beat of the Chinese PMI drum affect the global financial dance? Welcome to the world of economics, where words can jolt indices and data can pivot currencies. In the recent news, Powell announced a rise in interest rates by 0.75 of a percentage point. This move, a weapon in the Fed's arsenal to combat inflation, could set the market tone for the rest of the year. But here's the twist. Despite this bold stance, U.S. financial conditions seem to have softened in recent weeks. This suggests that the market is not entirely buying into the Fed's message. But what does this mean for you? Well, imagine you're at a bustling market where the price of apples has suddenly gone up. Some might hold off from buying, hoping the price will drop again. Others might rush to buy, fearing the price might rise further. This is the uncertainty that Jerome Powell's statements have introduced into the financial markets. Now let's shift our gaze towards the east, where the Chinese PMI data is set to make waves. PMI, or Purchasing Managers' Index, is a measure of the economic health of the manufacturing sector. A high PMI indicates optimism and growth, while a low PMI signals contraction and potential economic downturn. Think of PMI as the temperature of the economy. Just as you'd dress differently based on the weather forecast, investors make decisions based on PMI data. If the Chinese PMI is high, it could signal a robust economy, encouraging investors to buy. On the flip side, a low PMI could trigger a sell-off. In summary, Jerome Powell's statements and the upcoming Chinese PMI data are two key factors that could steer the markets. Powell's words have the potential to either calm or stir the market waters, while the PMI data could either signal smooth sailing or warn of stormy weather ahead. In the end, the markets are a complex tapestry woven from countless threads of information. And remember, even the slightest whisper can cause a ripple. So keep your ears open to the whispers of Jerome Powell and your eyes on the beat of the Chinese PMI drum.